Hello, dear children, good morning. Children, today I am going to start with the choose the correct answers of your lesson 7 Our Government. All of you open lesson 7 notes Our Government. In your previous class, children, you have learned hard words, meanings, fill in the blanks, right? And in today's class, you are going to learn choose the correct answers. See the first one. There are dash levels of government in India. There are dash levels of government in India. So, how many levels of government are there in India, children? See, is there 3, 2, 4, 5? Option A, 3. There are 3 levels of government in India. There are 3 levels of government in India. Second question. The dash is the law making body of the government. The dash is the law making body of the government. Is it executive? Is it court? Is it legislature? Or is it judiciary? The legislature. Option C, legislature. The legislature is the law making body of the government. Third one. The Lok Sabha has dash members. The Lok Sabha has dash members. 456 members, 552 members, 558 members or 498 members. The Lok Sabha has 552 members. Option B, 552 members. The Lok Sabha has 552 members. Next one. The dash is the head of the state government. So, what is the head of the state government? Is it Prime Minister? So, who is the head of the state government? Is it Prime Minister or Chief Minister or President or Governor? So, the Chief Minister is the head of the government. The Chief Minister is the head of the government. So, option B, Chief Minister. Again, I am going to repeat all the choose the correct answers, children. You to read along with me. There are dash levels of government in India. There are 3 levels of government in India. The dash is the law making body of the government. The legislature. The legislature is the law making body of the government. The Lok Sabha has dash members. The Lok Sabha has 552 members. The dash is the head of the state government. The Chief Minister is the head of the state government. Next, true or false? True or false? First one. Executive is the law implementing body. Is the executive the law implementing body, children? Yes. This statement is true. Executive will implement the law. This is the law implementing body. Second question. The Lok Sabha is known as the upper house. Is the Lok Sabha known as the upper house, children? No. Lok Sabha is known as the lower house. So this statement is false. The Lok Sabha is known as the lower house. The Lok Sabha is known as the upper house. So the given statement is wrong. Next one. Third one. All states of India have the Vidhan Parishad. All states of India have the Vidhan Parishad. No, only some states of India have the Vidhan Parishad. So this statement is false. Only some states of India have the Vidhan Parishad. So the given statement is false. Okay. Fourth one. The local government takes care of local administration on cities and villages. Is the local government takes care of local administration of cities and villages? Yes, this statement is true. The local government takes care of local administration of cities and villages. Next one. The Constitution of India provides for an independent judiciary. Did the Constitution of India provides for an independent judiciary? Yes. Our Constitution provides us an independent judiciary. So the given statement is true. Children, again I am going to repeat true or false. You to read along with me. Executive is the law implementing body. Yes, this statement is true. Second one. The Lok Sabha is known as the upper house. This statement is false. All states of India have the Vidhan Parishad. This statement is also false. The local government takes care of local administration of cities and villages. Yes, the given statement is true. The Constitution of India provides for an independent judiciary. Yes, the given statement is true. So, these are the choose the correct answers and true or false of your lesson 7, children. The our government. Okay, once go through the today's video. Listen to these choose the correct answers and true or false carefully, and you have to note down these two true or false and choose the correct answers 2 times in your homework books. Okay. Bye children. Thank you.